Hello dear students, how are you? This is Vidhi Sharma welcomes you in another session of English grammar. Okay, so our today's topic is speech writing. Okay, we will continue our writing section and today's topic is speech writing. This is our topic. Okay, so before starting any topic, the question should be that what is, and then speech writing is going on. So question will be what is speech writing? Okay, this is a common question before start any topic. When you know the name of that topic, the question, this question arose in your mind. Okay, so I will explain that what is speech writing. है क्या speech writing? सबसे पहले मैं ये बताऊंगी speech writing क्या है and how to write a speech. Yeah, I will sort out these two questions. Okay, so first, what is speech? This question, I will sort out this question. What is speech? A speech, a way of expressing one's thought, ideas on a specific topic. Okay, in a communication format. What is speech? A speech is a way of expressing one's thought, ideas in a specific topic in a communicative format. Okay, speech is a way. Okay, it is the communicative format that you will use while writing a speech, and in a speech you express your ways, your thoughts, you express your thoughts, your ideas, whatever you are thinking about any topic on the specific topic that you are continuing in your speech. Okay, so this is speech writing. And then this is the answer of the first question, what is speech writing, and then this question is also here, how to write speech. Okay, and it will be, I will sort out it by writing the format of speech. How to write speech writing. Okay, so what is the format of speech writing? The format of speech writing is divided into two parts. Opening and closing. Okay, its opening and closing. So first, opening of any speech start with addressing the audience. Okay, the opening of any speech start with addressing the audience. If you are giving the speech on in your school assembly, or if you are writing, so first in opening lines you will address the audience, okay, and then greeting them. Okay students, and then introducing the self and the occasion, on which occasion you are giving the speech. So you will introduce yourself, introducing yourself, and the occasion, okay, on which you are giving the speech. And then after opening, you will explain your topic, on which topic you are going to give a speech, and then closing. In closing, concluding the topic, okay, and then thanking the audience. First, give a reasonable conclusion of the topic and thanking the audience, okay, and with this that will be the closing of your speech writing. Okay students, and after that I will explain the complete format. Its complete format: first, greeting, and then disclosure of topic, and then narration of facts, deeper representation of topic, okay, and then conclusion, okay. So first, when you are giving any speech and or when you are writing any speech, first you will greeting, okay, you will write salutation and then greeting, in which dear principal ma'am, dear students, teachers and all the members who are presenting here, So in that way you will greet the audience, and next disclosure of the topic. And on after greeting, in the next paragraph of greeting, you will disclose the topic on which you are giving the speech. Okay, and narration of the facts. And in next paragraph you will explain the facts and narration of facts on the topic which you are giving, which you are now presenting before the audience. And next, division of deeper representation of the topic. Then you will go deep and deeply explain the topic on which you are giving speech, but you should keep it in your mind that if you are giving any reason, okay, any bad effects, so there should be the proof of everything. You have to present the proof of everything, whatever you are saying there, whatever you are presenting there. Okay students, and then after that you will write the reasonable conclusion, and if you are facing any problems, so what should be the conclusion of these problems? Okay, what will be the solution of these problems if there is any problem on which topic you are giving the speech. Okay students, and then we will know that with example. Okay, so the question is that, the question is before you, sample question. You are asked to deliver a speech on changing role of women in century on the eve of Women's Day. Okay, acknowledging their acknowledging their significant contribution in changing face of modern India. 120 and 150 words. Okay, and you know, there is also given hints. Okay, mostly students didn't mostly students never used to see these hints, but you have to concentrate, you have to look, you have to read these hints heartedly, because your complete answer is hiding in that. You know, your answer of speech, 80% speech can be complete only by hints. 80% complete हो जाती है हिंट से, एंड बाकी 20% ही आपको लिखनी पड़ती है. सो यू हैव टू लुक टूवर्ड्स द हिंट्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड व्हाट आर द हिंट्स हियर? A, new era changed woman position from homemaker to working woman. So this is the hint in which you have to explain that in olden time women always used to live in their houses and they never go out. They never used to go out as according to the traditions, okay, and foundations. But now this has been changed, the face has been changed, everything, the conditions has been changed, and now women are working and change in working woman from homemaker. Okay, and second, many possess higher positions, many possess higher positions. So you have to explain the women who possess higher position in society. And third, have all rights of equality. Okay, and now women are enjoying, are entertaining the equal rights. And next, recorded their presence in literature education and administration. So you have to explain these fields in which women are working, and you have to write the names of such type of women who are working there. Okay. And next, presenting example of self confidence and self respect, and next, we are proud of them. So you have to use these hints, and after that you will write your speech. Okay, I have prepared there one speech, so on that topic. Okay, the question I have shown you. So on this topic I prepared this speech. Look, role of woman, respected. These are greeting lines. These lines represent greeting towards audience, for audience, respected principal, learned teachers, and all my dear friends. Okay, students. And now, if you are giving the speech in a school, so you can speak these lines. Okay. And in next paragraph, this is the disclosing of the topic. I am glad that I got this opportunity of expressing my thoughts on the role of women in this changing era on the eve of Women's Day. Okay, so you have to represent yourself that you are very happy by getting the opportunity of giving speech. आपको ये शो करना है कि आप इन फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में यू हैव टू शो दिस कि आप कितने खुश हैं और आपको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है जिसको आप बहुत ही एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, द डे are gone when women considered themselves a weaker sex. Today they are neither weak nor inferior, as they are the example of field around us of success. They have proved their worth, and name any field of progress within they have not left their mark. Okay, they have not left their marks. So you have to ask question in middle of the speech. आपको पूछने as it is here कि नाम बताइए उन वुमेन उन औरतों के जिन्होंने अपना मार्क नहीं छोड़ा. ऐसे फील्ड का नाम यहाँ पर रिप्रेजेंट कीजिए जहाँ वीमेंस ने अपना कोई भी मार्क नहीं छोड़ा है, जहाँ उन्होंने वर्क नहीं किया है. Okay, so this is the question. In this way you have to ask question in the middle of the speech, but you have to answer also. Answer भी आप ही को देना है. Don't wait for anybody. They are known for their intelligence, sincerity and sensibility, hard work and punctuality, and they have proved themselves in science, business, banking, politics and what not. Okay, so in this paragraph you have to disclose the place of women on which you are giving the speech. They have never failed in using them in time of need. Women like Shikha Sharma, Sonia Gandhi, Indra Nui and etc. who have left their signature style in whatever field they choose. Okay, so you have to name some women who worked in some fields, and now except all everything they are now very successful women. Okay, being women myself, if you are a woman, अगर आप एक औरत हैं तो then आप ये लाइनें वहाँ ऐड कर सकती हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ यू आर अ गर्ल, अगर आप गर्ल हैं और यू आर नाउ प्राउड, यू आर हैविंग अ प्राउड ऑफ बीइंग गर्ल, सो यू कैन ऐड दीज लाइन्स. ओके, being woman myself, I felt tremendous power in myself, see no reason to lag behind. I am proud to be woman. We know that in modern world we cannot afford to ignore women as they have time, and again made the world realize their presence of whatever field they want. Okay, and now in next paragraph I acknowledge the vital role of women play for emancipation of society and their immense contribution in shaping and editing the definition of this era, and therefore salute them. Okay, with that, with this line your speech will be closed. Okay students, got it? Okay, so after this example we will describe about some useful tricks. Okay, first we will explain about language tricks. So what are the language tricks? The first trick of language, interactive language. Language should be interactive. Okay, फॉर्मेलिटी पूरी नहीं करनी है आपको, थोड़ा इंटरेक्ट होना है, ऑडियंस से थोड़ा इंटरेक्ट होना है. एंड नेक्स्ट, यूज ऑफ डायरेक्ट सेंटेंस. ओके, always use direct sentence. Don't use roundabout ways to express your views. Third, emotional attachment. So you have to show emotions on your face while giving speech. आपको अपने इमोशंस दिखाने, आपको दिखाना है कि आप कितने खुश हैं या कितने दुखी हैं, वॉट एवर ऑन विच टॉपिक यू आर गिविंग स्पीच. सो द इमोशंस ऑफ दैट टॉपिक शुड बी ऑन योर फेस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड नेक्स्ट, include suggestions. Okay, if you are giving any evil thing or negative points, अगर आप कोई नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स डाल रहे हैं अपनी स्पीच में, सो यू हैव टू इंक्लूड सजेशंस आल्सो हाउ टू सॉल्व. ओके, सजेशंस डालना मत भूलिए. अगर आप कोई नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स डाल रहे हैं, अगर आप पॉजिटिव डाल रहे हैं, देन यू हैव टू इंक्लूड हाउ टू इम्प्रूव. ओके, नेक्स्ट, पोलाइटनेस इन लैंग्वेज. पोलाइटनेस होनी चाहिए. जो भी आप वर्ड्स यूज कर रहे हैं वहां पोलाइटनेस दिखनी चाहिए. यू शुडंट बी स्ट्रिक्ट while explaining your topic. Okay students, you have to be polite. Okay, so these are language tricks. Okay students, and after these language tricks I will explain speech. स्पीच में आपको क्या क्या चीजें आपको इंक्लूड करनी है. ओके, ऑलवेज यूज प्रेजेंट टेंस. आपको हमेशा प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज करना है. पास्ट यूज कर सकते हैं व्हाट हैपेंड, जो हो चुका है उसके ऊपर अगर आप कुछ कर रहे हो. ओके, बट स्पीच में ऑलवेज यू हैव टू यूज प्रेजेंट टेंस. एंड फ्यूचर यूज कर सकते हो वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग, देन वॉट विल बी द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ योर डूइंग्स और एक्शंस विच आर गोइंग ऑन. आप उसके क्या इफेक्ट्स देख सकते हैं फ्यूचर में, तो वहाँ फ्यूचर यूज़ कर सकते हैं. बट मोस्टली आपको अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स शेयर करने के लिए प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज़ करना. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट यूज मॉडल्स. क्या यूज़ करने हैं? मॉडल्स. शुड, मस्ट, हमें ये करना चाहिए, हम ये करेंगे, वॉट एवर. ओके, थर्ड, use pronouns as much. ओके, मोस्टली आपको प्रोनाउंस यूज करने हैं नाउन्स की जगह. सिर्फ पार्टिकुलर नेम की जगह अगर आप प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे दैट विल बी बेटर. एंड नेक्स्ट, यूज राइट पंक्चुएशन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपको थोड़ा इस पर कंसंट्रेट करना चाहिए. पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स, यहाँ बहुत मिस्टेक्स होती हैं. इन पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स यू ऑलवेज डू मिस्टेक्स. तो आपको यूज़ करने हैं पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स कैपिटल लेटर में. कहाँ वर्ड्स कैपिटल लेटर में यूज़ करना है, एंड ऑन विच प्लेस यू हैव टू यूज़ क्वेश्चन मार्क्स, colon, semicolon. If sentences are long, then you have to use colon or semicolon. Okay, and commas. So you have to concentrate this topic mostly, जहाँ आप बहुत mistakes करते हैं. Okay students, and next, keep the language simple. Use simple language. कैसी लैंग्वेज यूज करनी है? सिंपल, बट नॉट एज अ चाइल्ड, एज अ नर्सरी और फर्स्ट क्लास चाइल्ड स्टूडेंट. ऐसी यूज नहीं करनी जो फर्स्ट क्लास एंड सेकंड क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स यूज करते हैं. देयर इज अ काउ, काउ हैज 4 legs, इट हैज 2 horns. ऐसी लैंग्वेज यूज नहीं करनी है, और शेक्सपियर वाली भी यूज नहीं करनी है. लैंग्वेज शुड बी सिंपल बट नॉट as simple as a first class student, and not so complicated, not so hard as Shakespeare. Okay, so these are the tricks you have to use while writing speech. और मैं कुछ important tricks भी यहाँ पर explain करती हूँ. Some useful tricks. Okay, first, try to engage audience First, try to engage audience with imaginary situation. So you should try to engage audience, कि वो आपको सुने और इमेजिन करें वॉट एवर यू आर गोइंग टू से. अब क्या कहने वाला है, क्या कह रहा है, और वो हम कहाँ देखते हैं. ओके, what is a real example, what are the example in real life, whatever you are saying, वो उस चीज़ को सोचे और देन एक्सपेक्ट करे कि अब आप क्या कहने वाले हो. सो इमेजिन, वो लैंग्वेज ना ऐसी यूज़ करनी है आपको कि ऑडियंस आपसे इंगेज हो. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट, एज आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर, आस्क क्वेश्चंस. Ask questions to the audience. As in speech, in example, I told you कि कोई भी ऐसा फील्ड बताइए जहाँ वुमेन्स ने अपना अपने जो वर्क है उससे किसी को अफेक्ट नहीं किया हो. एंड देन यू कैन यूज़ अनदर स्पीच. अगर इफ़ यू आर गिविंग द स्पीच ऑन द टॉपिक ऑफ वाटर सेविंग, तो आप कह सकते हैं, सोचो what will happen in future if there will no water and there will be the shortage of water. सोचो क्या होगा. and then you have to give answer also. आपको क्वेश्चन पूछ के ही नहीं रह जाना, उसका आंसर भी आपको ही देना है. ओके, सो दैट विल बी कंटिन्यू. क्वेश्चन पूछना है, आंसर देना है. एंड नेक्स्ट विल बी use semicolons while writing. Long sentences. If you are using long sentences, so you have to use semicolon, commas, okay, while writing speech. And I am damn sure if you will use these tricks as I have explained here, then your speech will never be reduced, will never you will be able to write a good speech as I expect. Okay, so try to write your own speech on the topics, on different type of topics, as you want to explain your thoughts, your ideas on which. Okay, by using these tricks. Okay students, thank you.